Hi, I'm Sandy. I'm going to show you how to make a Father's Day card. In this option, your card opens like this and is shaped like a bear head. In the other option, it's more like a traditional card. You could put your bear face on the outside and write your message on the inside. To make your Father's Day bear craft, you will need 2 colors of paper, plus a little bit of white paper, scissors, a black crayon or marker, a pencil, a glue stick, and various shapes of circles to trace. Something large to be the bear's head, 2 smaller ones to be the eyes, and also to trace as the ears, a medium-sized circle to be the bear's snout, 2 smaller circles to be the insides of the ears, and then an even smaller one to be the nose. I'm going to show you 2 options. In this option, you take the piece of paper that has your largest circle on it, and you fold it in half, and then you cut out your circle, making sure to cut out through both pieces of the paper. You should spend a few minutes cutting out all your circles. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles when you're done. The tiniest circle I colored black because it will be the bear's nose. Next, you will glue all your circles to form a bear. Glue the ears on. Next comes the face. And that's your 2 options for Father's Day bear cards.